Let me then quickly just go over the pricing tiers then until he joins us, Bismillah al-Karim, just to be sure that everything is clear and not to cause any confusion, so you know exactly what you're signing up for. So these are the three different tiers. We got this flexible self-paced, and this plan, I'll tell you who it's for. It's for the person who has time constraints and who wants to study at their own pace. Okay, so if you don't have 8 hours a week, you're struggling, you can't really keep up, then you can take this. You have access to the course for the whole year. You'll get all of the live lectures, the recordings. You can study at your own pace and the learning resources. So you get access to the lectures, you get instantly graded exercises, private Telegram channel, quizzed flashcards. However, I have to be clear on this. When it comes to self-paced course, you're studying by yourself, right? I personally advise people to go into the premium cohort because that's when I can give them assistance and mark their work and these sort of things. But I can't do that for the self-paced course. Self-paced course, you get all of the material that you need in order to learn, but you're learning by yourself. You're learning by yourself, okay? So you won't get access to the marking of exams or marking of if you like, work, these sort of things. Everything that you do are automatically graded, i.e. multiple choice, true or false, fill in the blanks, these sort of exercises. But those exercises whereby you write yourself or you speak yourself and you get individualized feedback from the teacher, that is not offered on this plan. The premium cohort, you have conversational workshops, regular assessments, weekly office hours where you can ask questions. I'll mark all of your homework and you'll get teacher support on Google Classroom. Okay, that is the recommended plan for most students. The private mentorship is for those that want a little bit of extra input from me, whereby I hold them by the hands. I literally keep up with them, their assessment, assess the diagnostic assessment, personal action plan every single week, follow up with them, private consultation, and they also get access to the skill building workshops, a free pass. They can join any workshop that has been scheduled, okay? Whereas those on the premium cohort, they get to choose which ones they want to join, but it's for a fee to join those workshops, okay? But these guys, they get a free pass to all of the workshops. Life support, dedicated personal mentor, who is me, and they'll get 1 year access to all self-paced courses that I offer, even beyond this course, okay? So that's a quick explanation of the different tiers, and I'm sure you understand. Any other questions? That pricing, was it for monthly or the entire course? No, that pricing is for the entire course, the entire level, not the 8 level 2 year program. It's for this entire level, which I've shared the calendar with you, which is going to finish sometime in June, inshallah. For self-paced, just to clarify, we'll have access to pre-unit and post-unit exercises. And what about examinations? Is there flexibility? You have access to all of the exercises that are automatically graded. Those that are graded by a teacher, you won't get access to. Examination, you can attempt to do the exam, but we won't be able to mark it for you, unfortunately. Maybe I can look at doing that maybe for a fee or something, but with the limited resources that we have, that would be difficult, okay? You can have an exam, but it's going to be automatically graded exam, not the one whereby you write by yourself and you get feedback and stuff. So there is an exam, but not the full exam, not the full experience, okay? It's like a quiz, if you like, you get at the end. If I can't register tomorrow, inshallah, how much materials are covered in self-paced level? All of the same materials being covered, same. So every time we cover the lesson, it's recorded, we release it to the self-paced students, okay? Those that couldn't make it. So initially, Sheikh Muhammad, £73 for a year membership, but did I understand this? Is this the case? Instead, level 1 will last for 3 months till June and would cost it, but the content will be accessible for a full year. Yes. The course itself, there are two components to it. You got the live cohort, which has a specific start date, specific end date. That is for 3 months, okay? But all of the material covered within those 3 months is recorded and made available to you for 1 whole year, okay? Those on the self-paced, or even those on even the other tiers, everyone will have access to all of the recordings for a whole year, okay? That you can go through at your own pace. Okay, after 3 months, when level 2 starts, yes, you have to pay £73 again if you want to continue with level 2 for the self-paced, okay? And then that itself will also be valid for a whole year. Will I have enough time to do this? I'm not sure. If you have 8 hours a week, yes. If not, then probably not. Do self-paced students have access to the workshops? No. No, self-paced students do not have access to the workshop. They study at their own pace.